Welcome to Part 4 of our module Digital Resilience. Protecting Your Data. In the Empower for Digiline project, we support adult education language teachers in strengthening their digital competences and using new technologies safely and confidently. One key aspect of this is keeping your personal and your students' data secure. In this screencast, we'll give you a very short overview of data safety, and then we'll walk through some practical demonstrations you can try yourself. Data safety matters for 3 reasons: to protect your own information, to protect sensitive student data, and to build trust in your online classroom. Whenever we use digital platforms, we leave traces of information. Simple habits can make a big difference in keeping that information secure. Let's start with passwords. A secure password should have at least 12 characters. Mix upper and lower case, numbers, and symbols. Avoid common words or personal details. A good option is to use a password manager, which generates and stores secure passwords for you. Additionally, it is recommended to use two-factor authentication where available. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, is a security method that requires 2 different forms of verification, such as a password and a one-time code sent to your phone to log into an account. A unique password should be used for each platform. Next, let's check if our browser is up to date. Updates often fix security issues, so one of the easiest ways to protect yourself is to always keep your browser up to date. Here in the settings, you can see my current version number and whether updates are available. For your updates, avoid logging in to public/shared computers or unsecured Wi-Fi. Be aware that not only your browser needs updating, you should also keep your device and its apps and operating system up to date. Finally, let's look at privacy settings. Before signing up to a platform, check the privacy policies to see how your data is used. For using the platform, in most teaching platforms, you can decide who has access to your sessions and files. For example, you can require a password to enter a meeting, or you can limit file sharing permissions to specific participants. Taking 2 minutes to check these options gives you much more control over your digital classroom. Don't forget to log out after class when using a shared computer. When installing apps, always use official app stores to reduce the risk of downloading harmful software, and regularly review your settings to remove unnecessary permissions such as camera, microphone, or location access, ensuring apps only use what they truly need. To protect your data when communicating online, first check links by placing your mouse over them to confirm the actual web address before clicking on them. This will help you avoid phishing sites. Never share login details or two-factor authentication codes, 2FA, with third parties, as these are personal security tools designed to protect your accounts. When sending group emails, use the BCC field so that recipients cannot see each other's addresses. If strangers send spam or suspicious requests in class groups, block or report them immediately to avoid further risks. Phishing is a type of online scam where attackers pretend to be a trusted company or person to trick you into revealing sensitive information. Common warning signs include urgent messages, threats, suspicious links or attachments, unusual sender addresses, and requests for passwords or personal data. Always double-check before clicking or responding. Here's a short checklist you can use to reflect on your own teaching practice. Do I use strong and unique passwords for my accounts? Do I regularly update my software, apps, and browser? Do I manage access and permissions for my online classes? Do I avoid sharing sensitive information over insecure channels? If you can agree to all of these, your classroom is already much safer. Take a moment to reflect. Which area of data safety could you improve today? Maybe your passwords need updating, or maybe you haven't checked your privacy settings in a while. Write down one small step you'll take this week in your digital resilience journal. Every small improvement strengthens both your own safety and the trust of your learners.